Hello guys, welcome back to Gatgets Compare. In this video today we compare two best smartphones, which is Samsung Galaxy A34 versus Samsung Galaxy A54. So let's see the full video. Display type, display size, resolution, touch screen, pixel density, aspect ratio, screen to body ratio, display brightness, screen type, always on display, refresh rate, storage, smartphone's RAM, smartphone's memory, expandable card, body design, body weight, body dimensions, body colors, water resistant, platform, has chipset, processor, graphic unit, operating system, main camera, megapixel, main second camera, main third camera, camera feature, video records, selfie camera, megapixel, video records, connectivity, Wi-Fi version, Bluetooth version, GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, BDS, NFC, infrared port, radio, USB connectivity, OTG support, battery, battery type, battery capacity, battery charging, sensors, fingerprint sensor, accelerometer, gyro, compass, barometer, messaging, proximity sensor, sound feature, loudspeaker, 3.5 mm jack, Features: SIM slot, launch date, market status, has result, price, has price USD. Thanks for watching. If you have buy this link in the description and make sure to like, share and subscribe for Gadgets Compare.